All right, welcome everybody. It's good to have you here. My name is Jeff Shanley. I'm a program director here at One Exam Prep. And today we're going to go over the book Metals and How to Weld Them. Now, it's the second edition. It's an old book. It's Florida gas line contractors. And why don't you just follow with me as we go through the basics of the book, just to help give you a description. Now, what to expect in this section. Before we even open the book, let me tell you where we're heading so nothing catches you off guard. There are 5 stops on this trip. All right. First, what is this book? What is this book? Why is this book sit in your gas line reference set? And what does it cover? Then we'll cover how it's organized. We'll do a fast tour of the 21 chapters and the tables and the definitions you actually use on test day. And then the high yield content. Now, mind you, the whole book isn't needed. It's just sections of it. We want the high yield. We want not the low hanging fruit. We want to be able to get to the meat, the AWS electrode classification, carbon and steel, preheat, weld defects, mechanical properties. All right. And then the open book lookup strategy. And this is where you tab your book. If you didn't get a tab book, we're going to talk about tabbing. Okay. We want to be able to tab the